Screeching tyres, high-powered drift cars take the corners of this racetrack at extreme angles as they clip the walls and each other's cars. It's clear that there's no competition today. This is just for fun. And it's unlikely many of the cars will make it to the end. The Maple Leaf Bash is a grassroots drift event which takes place near Montreal. Filmmaker Kevin Saint-Perrier went along with the wide-open drift team. They've taken along their Nissan 240 SXs, which they've painted to look like the cars in the Tom Cruise movie Days of Thunder, much to the amusement and appreciation of the crowd. Drift cars have a hydraulic handbrake designed to lock the back wheels to enable the vehicle to slide around corners. The cars on the track today are known as drift missiles. They're drift cars that are used purely for fun, and the drivers don't worry about damage. Today they're even doing some damage on purpose, making contact with the walls and each other. By the end of the weekend, only one car was still working, but everyone had a lot of fun.